There goes the house. You can see the corner of the house here has ignited.
So just inside these big hangar doors, that is the lab that IBHS has used. You've seen the footage before. That's where they build the homes, that they test the hurricane. We can just hear now, the winds are cranking up. The fans are cranking up. The fire is raging. They were not kidding when they said it was going to get very hot right here. Dan and I both going in, I think, to pull our cameras back. I like to go home with my camera at the end of the day. Everyone here has just taken huge steps back because as those fans cranked up, so did the fire. So they are doing this experiment like all the experiments they do here at IBHS with safety in mind. They've got the Richburg Fire Department standing by in case any part of this experiment got out of control. So far, it has managed to stay contained to the structures being used inside this experiment. My phone now telling me, this is no joke, the device is too hot and the quality of my recording may be diminished as the phone's trying to cool itself down.
Wow, that's impressive.
Move back even more. My phone is overheating from the fire.
That wild.
I'll tell you, James, you know, I mean, all of our phones are throttling right now because it's so warm. It is very warm back here.